Good morning, everybody. I am here to tell you something about the main menus and Easy Trade jewelry software. Easy Trade jewelry software is designed web-based. So please remember, it's a web-based. You can put www.yourdomain.com. Then you will get to your data. It's not a cloud-based. It's not a computer-based. You don't need to do any installation. You don't need to do anything with your operating system. You can use it through your mobile, you can use it by your tablet, and you can use it by your computer. Here, this is designed for the retailer and also designed for the wholesaler who buy in sales in bulk and who buy in sales in retail. I tell you only a few things about the menu. On the top, you will see the daily report. On the daily report, you will get the all transaction you have done it in one day. You can get the information on the same day, and also by selecting a difference the previous date. You can select the previous date, and you can get the report for that. It's very useful. It's very useful that you see your transaction the same day. And after that, you will see here the 1 and 2 if you are a multi-branch. You have one branch here, one branch in another city or another location, so you can have all these branches together, and on the time of report you can get the reports separately, and if you want to get the report all together, you will get the report for the all together. And after that, you will see the trading, the people who buy and sell golds online, so they can track their information, and they can enter their transactions here and get the very proper reports on that. So to open a position, buy or sell is here. To view your positions, which is open positions, you can see here. Then after that, you will see the report. Within the reports, you will see all your transactions with the profit and loss. And this is a scheme for the lottery if you have this one. And after that, the loan, if you are doing the loan in your company. And after that, you will see the metal sales, which is very common, is invoice and view your invoice. And after that, you will see metal purchase. So on the metal purchase is important. You have two sort of purchase. One is the interbill, one is the interbill wholesale. This wholesale is the purchases which you buy from your supplier, and you should apply the making charges on this. But on the interbill, if you buy some scrap from your customers without entering any making charges for that, you can use this one. It's very good and time to buy something from your customers. And after that, you will see the layaway. So layaway is might you don't use. So later on, if you want, I can explain you about what is the layaway. And after the layaway, you will see the metal purchase return. It's very usual. So if you buy something from your supplier and you want to return it, and you will see after that the metal transfer is used between the different branches. If you bring from your another branch to your branch, or you give something to other branch, so you will do the transfer. This transfer has two options. One is the metal transfer is a single entry, single item, and this one is for the multi items. So if you want to do the multiple in a single transaction, you can do it here. And after that, you will see the metal exchange. Metal exchange is normally does for the if you change something. For example, you have a full set, and you have one full set, and now it's barcoded in a one item, and now you want to split it in earring and bracelet and rings. So you can use this one metal exchange, but take one metal as a from, and select your other item as a two, and then split it. And also it's used for the changing the purities, changing the scrap to the pure to the scrap, whatever. And after that, the inventory location is used for the people who split their showroom in a multi inventory names. For example, a showcase walls, like for example showcase 1, showcase 2, showcase 3. So they put their rings in a one showcase, they could put the earrings in another, and they can track their inventory by like split it. One shop, they split it, for example, in 10 and 15 warehouses. So in that, you can track all them like separately to check your rings, where state your rings and which location. And after that, the metal items is the usual. Metal fixing is to fix the currency to the metal, and opposite side metal to the currency. Sales fixing is very important things, which is whatever you sold, and for example, you sold 1 month 200,000 dirham, and now you don't want to. What is your profit and loss? Your sales report is generated automatically. The total sales amount is showing here, the total sales amount, and after that there is an option that you fix. So now you sold this much, and now you want to buy it. It shows you, it's help you, that tell you that okay, for 1 month you sold 200,000 dirham, which is equal to, for example, 500 gram. Now you want to buy this 500 gram. If you buy this 500 gram, you become to know how much is your profit and loss. It's very important. So, and I had never seen in other softwares to control these things. All the unfixed amount is comes here. You can do it in a fix, and then you become to know what is your profit and loss. Then the metal barcode, it's very common things, because all the metals has the barcode. Here you can see the barcode. Then the metal stock taking. If you want to have this one stock taking by RFID, you can do this. Metal transactions, so whatever metals you take and give to your parties, to a supplier and customers, is controlled here. Here the currency transaction to your party. Here is the order. If you take something, order, so you can enter your order, all the details of the order, the customer names, the down payments, the photo and pictures of your orders, all is here. Here, from here, it's start the financial things with the reports. The bank transfers, if you do transfer between your banks, the reports, which is contains a lot of things: daily report, party balance, chart of account, sales report, purchase report, all reports in a more depth. Here is the parties, and here is the for your expenses that you write a check, and here is the opening, so the time of the you opening your company, so all the information of the opening your company, balance of your parties, balance of your goals, all everything from A to zero. This is the accounts, so the which accounts you have here for the expense, for the banks, for the liability, for the fixed assets. The users, so the user, you can add the user, and you can active and deactivate the user. Here's the settings for your backups, and at the end you will see here the Shopify, which is normally Shopify is used for the this for the people who doing the things online. So lot of things over here, so I don't want to explain it at this time for you, because maybe it's not useful for you. So at this video, I don't want to be very long, so briefly I told you about the menus. And another things for the people who are doing here retail, so I'll show you one calculator. This calculator shows here you assign you the current rate of, for example, 22 kirat if you're selling, or 21 kirat. For example, here I assign that this is today rate is that much in 22 kirat. If you select the barcode, one barcode from here, so automatically it shows you that this barcode which you selected is that much weight, and this is the metal rate according to the current price you assign, and this is the total making. For example, you're asking from your customer 150 for the making, and then the customer is asking you how much in percentage, then automatically it's calculate. You can tell him that this is the percentage, and this is the subtotal with the making, and after that the what, and this is the total cost. It's normally customer are asking for all these details. You don't need to do it by handwriting. You can get this information on your screen. So much more things is here that I don't want to explain you. If you have any questions, you can get to me at 058 161 7070. This is my WhatsApp number, and this is my calling number. Thank you so much for your time.